Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet with Zara and welcome to the episode 2 of Crochet Granny Square series. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to crochet a solid granny square. This pattern is perfect for beginners who want to create a more structured and dense design compared to traditional granny square. I'll walk you through each step, so whether you are a new crochet or just looking for a fresh project, this video is for you. Grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. For this solid granny square, I am using this color and 3-ply yarn and a 3.5 mm hook, a weaving needle. You can use any size of yarn, any size of hook. I'm just teaching you how to crochet this solid granny square. You can use in your different projects for crocheting purse, for crocheting cardigans and many more things. I'm just teaching you how to crochet. So let's get started. So make a slip knot. Just wrap the yarn over itself in such a way and pull the tail end to create a slip knot. Now take the hook, insert it into the slip knot and tighten the knot, and take the working yarn on the left hand and make total of 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now insert the hook into the first chain and pull up the loop and pull through. Now this is chain 4 and you can see a little hole. We will work in this hole. Now chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I will count chain 3 as a double crochet and chain 2 as our first corner. You can see a square usually have 4 corners. So this chain 2 I will work as a first corner. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the chain 4 space and pull up the loop, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the hole and pull up the loop, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. Now again work another double crochet. Now I have worked total of 3 double crochet. Now chain 2 as our second corner, and now again work 3 double crochet into this chain 4 space. 1, 2 and 3. Now you can see 1 and 2 corners. Now for the third corner, chain 2 and again work 3 double crochet into the same space. 1, 2 and 3. Now 1, 2, 3. Now for the last corner, work chain 2 and you can see I have worked 3 chains at start. So technically this chain 3 I will count as a double crochet. So we need only 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. And the third double crochet will be over this chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So insert the hook into the chain 3 and slip stitch. So our first round is complete with 4 corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So for the round 2, I will slip stitch into the corner and work chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now work 2 double crochet into the corner. 1 and 2. Now you can see we have 3 double crochet. So we have to work 1 double crochet on the top of each double crochet. Insert the hook into the stitch and pull up the loop and pull through 2, pull through 2. Now into the second stitch, into the third stitch. Now work 2 double crochet into the chain 2 space chain 2, 1 and 2, and 2 double crochet into the same chain 2 space. So we have just increased in our corner by working 4 double crochet with a chain 2 in between. So this chain 2 space will count as a corner. Now just push the stitch aside and you can see a little stitch that hid under the chain 2 space. So we have to work in this stitch double crochet. Now we have reached at our next corner, so we have to work 4 double crochets with a chain 2 in between in that corner. Chain 2 and 2 more double crochet into the same. Now work 1 double crochet on the top of each next 3 stitches. Now again in the corner work 4 double crochets with a chain 2 in between. Chain 2, 1 and 2, and again 2 double crochet. Now work double crochet in each of 3 stitches. Now we have made at the start of the round chain 3. So this chain 3 is a double crochet and work 1 more double crochet into the chain 2 space to complete the round. Now slip stitch into the chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So we have completed over 2 rounds. Now do the same for the round 3. Insert the hook into the chain 2 space and work a slip stitch. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now work a double crochet, 2 double crochet into the chain 2 space. Now work 1 double crochet in next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stitches on the top of. Now work 4 double crochets with the chain 2 in between and 2, chain 2 and now work double crochet on the top of each double crochet. Now work in the corner. Chain 2 and 2 more double crochet. Now we are at our last side of the square. Now we have to work one more double crochet. You can notice we have increased in every round by working 4 double crochets with a chain 2 in between. So in this way, our square will become bigger and bigger in each round. Now work now in the last corner or in the first corner, whatever you count, we have to work 1 double crochet as we have worked chain 3. Now insert the hook into the chain 3 and slip stitch to end the round. Now you can see we have 3 rounds. We have made total of 3 rounds. Now for the round 4, do the same, slip stitch into the chain 2 space and work chain 5. 3, 4, 5. Now work 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space and work double crochet in and work double crochet on the top of each stitch until we reach here. Now increase in the corner by working 4 double crochets with the chain 2 in between. Chain 2 and now work double crochet on the top of each double crochet. Now work in the corner by crocheting 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 more double crochet. Now again work double crochet on the top of each double crochet. Don't miss the first double crochet. Chain 2 and work. Now work double crochet on the top of each double crochet. Don't miss the first double crochet as it hid under the corner. Now don't miss out the chain 3 as we counted as double crochet in the previous row. Just work double crochet and double crochet into the corner, 1 double crochet, and slip stitch into the chain 3. 1 2 3. If you want to make a one more round, you can go ahead. Work same as we did in each round. Chain slip stitch into the chain 2 space, chain 5, and work 2 double crochet and the top of each double crochet. Now in the corner work 2 double crochet with the chain 2 in between, and again in the other side, at the other side. Now again at the other side work double crochet on the top of each double crochet, work in the corner, and just come here and slip stitch to end the round 5. Okay, I'm not going to show you round 5. I just made round 5 and show the final result. Now I have just hit the tail. Now this is our final result of solid granny square. Thank you so much for crocheting along with me today. I hope you enjoyed making this solid granny square as much as I did. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow crocheters. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming tutorials. Keep practicing, and I can't wait to see what beautiful creations you make with your granny squares. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take great care of yourself. Happy crocheting.